Silver is a fake metal. Yeah, right. Hey, I'm telling you, if the chance of Biden winning like becomes serious, silver should actually continue to perform, because silver is used in a lot of renewable energy sources, and if he gets elected, he's already put forward a lot of stuff that would push forward renewable energy, right? So that would probably help silver. That's probably the only thing that he would help is renewable energy. He would absolutely obliterate the oil market, so we could short oil. And TSM's coming back because of the markets.
Fucking Apple shit the bed bad.
Did it? Yeah. I haven't got filled on
Wow.
Microsoft yet. I think Apple's filling this volume gap.
Dude, my fucking mouse didn't charge while I was sleeping.
Look at Ameren, dude. Ameren's getting beat up. It's retesting that the original range.
Yeah.
If it doesn't bounce like Power Hour or tomorrow, it's gonna be fucking dangerous.
JMA, how many monitors do you use?
3. Apple had some news. What kind of? I thought they were upgraded. Didn't they just get upgraded yesterday?
Upgrades and downgrades in times like now are bad actually, because upgrades, they're trying to push the price lower, right? So they can sell it, and then downgrade, same thing. They're basically pushing the price in the wrong direction.
Kif, what news are you talking about?
Yeah, Wu-Tang, I feel that, man. If you guys are over leveraged in Ameren, you need to be careful. I'm not deep in Ameren, it's in my small account. I'm gonna have to close TSM here in a second. It's just nuking. TSM was a sucky loss. What's our delta? Our delta's 24. Yeah, I need to close this. If it doesn't bounce here, I'm closing it.
SPY complete reversal.
Oh, it's fucking bleeding right now, yeah. Tuesdays, man, they're fucking brutal. We need to start.
I think going forward, we just take a break on Tuesday.
Yeah, we need to like play games on Tuesday or something. Turn into a gaming channel. We need to open up our Amazon side of the Discord, and that's what we'll do on Tuesdays. Start a FIFA league, yeah. Everybody wakes up at 9:30 to play FIFA. Hey, Josh, what's going on, man? Hey, Iconian. It's crazy too, because Tuesdays aren't like easy red days, right? They're not just like, oh, straight down easy. It faked everybody out hard today. It was going for an all-time high. It was almost there. And then Tuesday just nuked.
Holy shit! Is Dime still in the silver calls?
Yeah, I hope not.
Is Dime still sleeping?
Yeah, his fucking sleep schedule is destroyed, dude. He's got that crypto sleep schedule.
I mean, if Q's bottoms right here, it'll put in a higher low.
Look at the euro dollar and the British pound dollar. They are freaking nuking hard right now.
Yep. The dollar's gaining strength.
Oh yeah, DXY's up.
You know what it is? I think it's because they were the world was preparing for stimulus, right? So they were preparing for that massive fucking $2 to $3 trillion stimulus to keep beating the dollar up, and then Trump said, "You know what? Screw that. Executive orders." So now the stimulus, it's probably still going to happen. It's just not happening right now. People were expecting it to happen on Friday. It's already Tuesday, and we haven't had a stimulus. So the stimulus is destroying the dollar's value. But now that the stimulus is not happening, the dollar's gaining strength. And TSM keeps bouncing off that level. I don't think I can hold this one more day though. If it gaps down, it's gonna murder me.
Oh, I got Friday's call. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close mine.
Yeah, I have Friday's call as well. That's why this is not pretty. I was hoping it would bounce up and try to fill the gap so I could take a lower loss. No way we make money on this. I mean, if it fucking pumps hard, but I doubt it.
How have Wednesdays been? Green or red?
I haven't followed. Not sure.
Just Monday's green, Tuesday's red.
Yep. If we only know Tuesdays are red, then Wednesdays are probably pretty green. What are the last couple of Wednesdays? The 1st, the 8th, and the 15th. Sorry, 8, 15, 22, 29.
Wednesday's usually chopped though, because you always have that Fed meeting.
Yeah, inside bar. Where's the next one? 15, inside bar. Or no, it's a kind of a hanging man hammer. So both are dojis. Inside bar, damn near. It was green, but then it reversed. 29. It seems like most of them are green. Yeah, most of them are green.
Most of them are green.
And then 5 and 12. 5 was green and 12 is tomorrow.
Holy shit, this is bad right now.
Yeah, I'm feeling the pain on silver. Silver's like the only thing hurting me.
Hughes needs to fucking bounce. Did Amron have news today, or is it just coming down
It's
with
just
Nasdaq?
yeah, it's just that bad news yesterday. What are the odds, man? Fucking get in and it has bad news. Another reason I hate reporters.
Did buy on Facebook.
Oh, John's in silver. Here we go, boys.
I'm still in my silver too.
I added to silver.
I added a boatload.
My fucking mouse worked. I could actually do something right now. I'm like stuck.
I didn't want to call it out because it's a complete lotto, but I did buy the 24 strikes for next Friday on silver on the small account. We're up about 10%. No, I'm still on Oxy Iconian. We're break even on Oxy. We're playing time on Oxy. So as long as time goes by, we're okay.
I just don't want to panic sell any of these positions, man.
I feel you. That's how I feel. TSM, I think I kind of have to. But silver, I added. Like you said, dude, this market is just fucking add the dips. Like Dime was saying, same thing with IWM, Dow, all the indexes, fucking add the dips.
Netflix. I can't see Johnny because my mouse isn't working. But earlier, before I went to sleep, it was holding the 50-day moving average, even though it broke daily trend.
Is
It
that,
was wicking the 50-day. I don't know if it still is or not.
is that the only mouse you have?
I have another mouse. I'm just too much of a lazy ass to go get it out of the closet and plug it in.
No, I hear you. Now, you want to talk about lazy? I've been using a broken mouse for probably 6 months now, and I've had a brand new one in the box sitting right next to me.
Dude, I put my mouse on charge and my computer must have fucking went to sleep like right after I left because it didn't charge.
My girlfriend thinks I'm a fucking psychopath because I'm using this damn mouse still.
I added a QQQ, by the way, guys. Could be a stupid thing, but
I did as
I
well.
added.
I bought the, here, I'll type it in chat. That's what I bought.
Oh, you went that far out?
Yeah.
Really, the only thing that's killing me today is Apple and like killing is Apple and Ameren.
Silver's the only thing ripping me apart. TSM's a decent loss, but it's not a huge loss. Silver's kicking my ass.
274s, Aaron.
If I wouldn't have rolled up silver and I would have just taken profit, I would be fine right now. We'd be sitting pretty. But the problem is I rolled silver up, so we're losing all of our principal that we rolled.
See a double bottom here on Q's. 15-minute. Maybe puts in a bulldog. It doesn't fall more, put in a higher low, but doesn't look like it's wants to hold here.
Q's is, if it loses this level, it's bad news. It's going to fill the gap.
Yeah, I think so too if it loses this.
Fill the gap, last 10 minutes, reverse the entire day.
We've seen it happen. You can't fucking, you know what I mean?
Yeah, can't joke about it. I think we've honestly seen more volatility in the last 10 minutes than the first 10 minutes. And usually it's the open.
Trump tried to fucking push it up. You see his tweet this morning? Big stock market numbers.
Yeah, all-time high.
He tried.
He needs JP. He meant big negative numbers. Oh, there you go. Democrat presidential candidate Biden official says no actual VP event today. So it's fake news. Just like the fucking Kamala news.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah, second time we got fake news. It is coming though. They did say that he has disbanded his committee that's like vetting the vice presidents and doing all that work. They've disbanded that. So they have picked somebody. He's just not announcing.
He's just made a new low.
Oh my god, look at the markets.
Yep.
Oh, TSM's nuking. I didn't even see it. Shit. I'm closing TSM here, guys.
Oh my god, bad day. Holy fuck.
Alright, we're out of TSM. Yeah, bad day for me as well. Fucking silver is ripping me apart.
Wow.
If it wasn't for Boeing, it would be a fucking rough day. Boeing, I have almost guaranteed max profit, knock on wood, on Boeing. But I shouldn't say that for Boeing, because Boeing could make some big fucking moves.
Oh, what a brutal day.
I think we all need to stop trading on Tuesdays. We all keep getting faked out by Tuesdays, man.
Someone that I'm following tweeted Tesla a day away from possibly breaking up marriages. Has to confirm though.
Man, AMD, it fucking faked me out on that dead cat bounce. We'd be making a killing on AMD.
Jesus Christ, a bad day.
Dude, everything's leaking. Bank of America's even leaking.
Dude, Q's is waterfalling right now, straight down.
Yeah, I took
Oh.
so far out on Q's. I'm only down like 5%, so that's good. It's going for the
Wow.
gap fill.
What a fucking wild day. Up 2,000 some point today, now down 5,500. Just fucking getting beat with a stick.
It's going what to what? 265,
260.
96.
Yeah, it should be bouncing pretty soon.
26587.
God, that's nasty.
Holy fuck.
Hey Fizz, what's going on, man?
Nasty fake out, man. Fucking nice bounce this morning. Nuked it.
Yeah, IWM was fucking 10 cents away from 160, dude.
Yep. Now we're ready for the day on it.
I might get filled on Microsoft here, guys. We'll see.
Q's looks like it's bouncing a little bit.
Like I was telling them while you were sleeping, there's no fucking... This would be brutal if this was like a top on SPY, because it's bottomed for 55%. And it's going to miss the all-time high by 0.5%. Kidding me?
No, it's not gonna. It'll make an all-time high.
Like that would be fucking brutal. I think if it pulls back to the daily
We're not
pivot,
gonna get that close to it, man, and fucking
I think it's gonna pull back to the daily pivot if it wants to pull back.
on SPY.
Yeah, that'd be brutal. But
I think it's gonna go that far down.
dude, look at the ES daily. It closes like this. Bad news. Yeah, my VIX position's coming back. VIX is fucking pumping.
What is the gap? The wick almost hit it.
I'm not adding to Oxy anymore, guys. Oxy's leaking. Is oil even going down, or is it just fucking Oxy?
SPY is going down also. ES broke out of the channel it was in.
Apple's back on that daily pivot.
Nvidia actually held pretty strong today. Didn't go down too much. Microsoft too. Microsoft didn't go down a lot.
Well, it filled the gap now, right?
And Qs, let me see.
No, I mean Microsoft. If it
Q's
filled
did
it
it, yeah.
today, right?
Oh yeah, it did.
Q's has like another fucking.
Yeah, like 10
Wick
cents.
came down, almost hit it. Yeah, like 0.06% away.
Silver said, "Hold my beer. I think I can go lower."
Yeah, I need to go back to what I was doing when I was making a lot of money. Just buying everything at close, last 30 minutes. I'm about to fucking tell Tasty, do not execute any of my orders if it's not in the last hour of the day. Fucking ban me.
It's like the sniper, dude.
What was that?
SR just scalped some spy puts.
Oh, yeah. It's going to make my chart inverted so it looks better. There we go. We're pretty bullish on Qs. Look at that triangle. If you invert Qs, it's pretty obvious. We were in like a perfect triangle. Now we're pumping.
Holy fuck, what a reversal on bowling, dude. It's like happy I sold my SPY this morning, the one that expires tomorrow.
Yeah, I didn't get filled on my Boeing take profit, so we're just going to play time on it. I have almost an 80 delta, so we have an 80% chance of making max profit.
I just added to my SPY 821 340 calls, guys. Dude, wasn't the Dow up like 400 points today?
It was on fire. Yeah. It filled the gap.
Fuck.
Dow just filled the gap.
Did DIA?
Yep.
It did.
IWM filled the gap as well.
Yep. Both of them have auto SRs at this level right now that we're sitting at. Still bullish on Dow, wouldn't be a bad time.
Dollar's weakening against the yen. Euro's trying to climb. Thoughts on silver? Silver's getting destroyed. Silver and gold are pulling back, so a lot of people are taking profit. I bought the dip. Very, very risky play. But I did buy the dip on silver.
Deja, look at DIA 4 hour.
The pivot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mentioned that while you were sleeping. It almost topped on it perfectly. Pivots are fucking magnets, man.
Wow, the spreads on DIA are fucking nasty.
Yeah,
Holy
they're
shit,
not
I thought
good.
this was...
I tried to, because look at DIA, it still has a coronavirus gap. It hasn't even started filling it. So if you try to trade that, the gaps are pretty bad.
A lot of QQQ calls are coming in right now. Same with SPY.
What do we have? 30 minutes to rip faces.
Anyone in the mood for earnings?
Fuck no. Earnings on what?
Well, I'm since I have Webull, I'm going to use shares. I'm looking at these are mostly penny stocks, but the main large cap is JMIA. There's a bullish sentiment, so I'm going to play that.
Guys, I just
But-
bought some Q. Sorry.
No, go ahead.
I just bought some QQQ. This Friday's expiration, 270 calls. Now, what if in the last 30 minutes we get a complete reversal, sending us back into the range? I'm gonna throw this fucking coffee cup against the wall.
You won't.
That's because it's an apartment and I'm gonna have to pay for it later. If it was a house, I'd fucking throw my fucking desk against the wall. IWM calls coming in. A lot of ETF calls coming in right now, guys. SPY, Qs, IWM, EWZ, SPY again, it's QQQ again. I also can't even get a Call of Duty game in to blow off some steam, man.
You said you can't?
Because this fucking mouse, it's actually, it says 16%. Dow's back positive. Dow and IW. Big Apple. Oh shit, what is this? I can't see. Fucking next year. I was gonna say big opening order on Apple.
Yeah, SPY and Qs are trying to bottom here.
I'm out of Boeing BJ. I'm gonna stay out. I'm gonna stay on the sidelines on that one for right now. Oh, SPY coming down again.
See if silver can hold this pivot.
Qs are down 1.3% today. Holy shit.
Yeah, Qs
Look
are
at
getting
VIX,
wrecked.
up 6%.
Yep, my VIX is coming back.
Okay, man, your Q calls must be dying right now.
Yeah, I'm down almost 5,000 for today.
I really envy how you can say that so casually.
Yeah, that
You
just
be-
made my ball shrink.
You become numb, dude. Trust me.
Yeah, that's what they keep saying. You know, all y'all traders have been doing this for years. You know, the losses, the gains. It's like
You're a
just
robot,
another
dude.
day.
It's just another day, exactly.
It just it because I mean, like, don't get me wrong, I'm fucking pissed. I'm not happy about it. But
Not gonna
yeah,
cry
like Johnny
about it.
says, money comes and money goes. I live by that saying.
If you let your emotions get the better of you, it's gonna make it worse. You start
Yep.
revenge trading.
Yep.
Yep. I've learned the hard way. I agree with you.
After you trade for so long, you understand how much money you can make in a certain amount of time and like how much money you can lose, right? So if you're down, like he's down 5K, he knows that he can make that back pretty easily.
For sure.
You're never going to be green every day. Dude, VIX is climbing.
Like
Yeah.
those people in those YouTube commercials
Oh, yeah.
about getting rich quick and how
It's all bullshit.
their trading platform is like the best and how they figured out how to flip money and
Yep.
they're mostly all just full of shit.
If they ever say their win rate's like 80%, 90%, they're full of shit.
Especially these penny stock gurus on Twitter. This particular one is like, oh, he's been green 50 days in a row. I'm like, fuck no, that's impossible. Because when it's fucking red, all these penny stocks are dropping like shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, Apple's losing its daily pivot right here. It's not good, guys. I just don't want to panic sell.
You would think if they're making so much money, why would they need to sell you their program for thousands of dollars, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, come on, silver.
All those cars and shit, that's all fucking rented shit.
Yeah, they always show you all their Lamborghinis in their garage that they rented for fucking the video.
They got them from Moneybag.
Yeah.
Dude, the worst is when like you're in something that's dropping and you try to look it up on Twitter and
Oh,
because
God.
they spam everything with like 50 tickers.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about yesterday. I hate that shit. When they put
Dude,
all the
it's the
cash
worst.
tags and it has nothing to do with their screenshot.
As long as there's
and
no news out, you shouldn't even bother looking at that shit because you're just gonna scare yourself. Yep, see, John knows. Yeah, all puts coming in right now.
That sucks, John. You lost 100K when Italy lost in the World Cup? Jesus, dude. Fucking sports gambler. Who'd they lose to? Never bet on Italy.
GLD opening orders coming in right now.
I'm not sure what my biggest loss is. Like, which stock?
My biggest one-day loss is, I think that day when we lost on Tesla, I think that was my biggest one day.
I think my biggest loss of the year is probably USO. When I got fucking bent over when they split and it just wiped out my contracts. Yeah, USO fucked me.
Mine was DraftKings and Penn a couple months back when they took that massive dive, both of them together.
Silver is going to be my biggest loss. This thing keeps fucking dying.
Look at the daily.
Dude, it's
Oh my
rough.
God.
Look at the weekly. These are the
It's
charts that I always tell you guys not to buy, and I'm fucking buying the dip.
It's literally about to touch the moving average. Wow.
Loading up on GLD calls here. Maybe it's because it's on the daily pivot.
Dude, silver has 1.2 million calls today. People are buying the fuck out of this dip.
You see the daily pivot on GLD?
Yeah. It's bouncing right off the pivot. Yep. Beautiful.
This loss tonight calls for some hot pot.
This is the 382 retracement on gold.
my Asian boys at? You guys like hot pot? You got one at Jelly. I actually bought one too for here. I've never used it though. Oh yeah, Jack. Yeah, I bought the pre-made shit that you put in the water and stuff to like season it. I just never. Yeah, that's where I get it from. I got it from H Mart.
Yeah, I've got an H Mart near me too.
I love that store. It smells like shit, but their food there is awesome.
That's what everybody
So
says. Everybody says they
apparently,
smell.
so
Yeah. It's because they got fish. They got fucking like a big fish market in the back, and it just reeks up the whole fucking store.
No, it's
So
because of
apparent-
everything that's fermenting there.
Mitch McConnell came out not too long ago and said that the stimulus talks are going nowhere and there's nothing being done and they have broken down. I don't know if that has to do with the market selling off.
Most likely. How many fucking times have they said that, and then they say, "Oh, we'll have it done by tomorrow." Oh, it actually broke down. We're not doing anything. Oh, we'll have it done by tomorrow. Like, holy fuck, dude, do your job.
Damn, look at DXY. That's why metals are, look how high it's climbing.
Yeah, DXY is flying.
And that's why metals keep tanking.
Yep, Euro's crumbling.
I'm looking forward to like the 4 o'clock announcement that the deal is like almost in place.
Oh, 100%. It's gonna be literally like tonight. They'll be like, "Oh, we finally decided."
Yep, 4:30 or 5 o'clock. We made a breakthrough.
Fucking ridiculous. dude.
Isn't DXY literally about to hit one of these tops from the last week? I know there was
DXY
like,
weekly looks really good. Weezer bottom, Morning Star.
Or GLD. A lot of XOM calls coming in. What's XOM?
I'm counter trading myself once again. What did I tell you guys? If DXY bounced at 93, it was gonna kill the metals. Bouncing at 93, it's killing the metals. I need like one of those little recorders. I can just record what I say and then fucking play it back to myself. Yeah, after seeing the market
Dying
this
right now.
red, it's gonna be fucking after hours. Is there any meeting today after hours? No, I'm not trading Bitcoin right now. This is the biggest problem with the two-party system, right? Because the Democrats want to hold it as long as possible because it makes Trump look bad. The longer they can make Trump look bad, the better for them. And the Republicans hate giving people free money, so they're not budging on the amount they're giving people, right? So both sides are fighting it. It's not
Does
going
Exxon
anywhere.
have earnings today? Dude, there's nonstop calls coming in for ExxonMobil.
What's their ticker?
XOM. Literally, the page within the last like 10 minutes is just filled with XOM calls.
Breaking out of a massive range.
Silver
it's holding
putting in a
support.
bulldog?
On what time frame?
Oh my god, look at
5.
Apple.
Yeah, it could be 1 minute, 5 minute does, yeah. If it bounces here. Yeah, Apple hit my alert. My bearish alert.
Yeah, it's well below the daily pivot now.
What did I say on Apple last night, guys? Let me see.
Last line in the sand is at 8 EMA. If it breaks that, I gotta get out. I can't afford to hold it through the gap fill.
I said support at 445 and 43775. I think it's bouncing off that 775 right now. Yeah, here it is. Below that, 431 is the target. If it doesn't bounce here, 431 is where it's going.
What are you talking about?
Apple. And how is oil getting beat up when we have vaccine news coming out like nonstop? And they just opened up the visas for Vegas again. You think oil would be going up? I think it's mainly because Europe is banning US. If they lift their travel ban, oil and like Boeing Airlines, they're gonna fly.
SPY is on the 5 EMA right now on the daily.
Silver's starting to put in a nice accumulation. Definitely a 5-minute bulldog if it bounces here. That trail has been pushing us down the entire way. Literally, as soon as it flipped red, it killed us. Yeah, 15% failure since it flipped red.
Oh, look at the fucking reversal on American Airlines.
Yeah, the airlines are getting crushed. I honestly think I'll add to Boeing if it fills this gap. What's my delta? Yeah, I'm sitting at a 78 delta. The volatility is not that high on Boeing either. It's a little high. The daily's low, actually. The daily's below average. So if this thing picks up to the upside, the volatility is going to climb. Yeah, volatility is below average on the daily and the 4-hour. 1 hour is slightly above.
Facebook's on the 8 EMA right now. Microsoft's still holding the trend.
Where is the 50 moving average?
Oh, look at the hit on Walmart, dude.
Getting beat up.
Fucking nice gap up and retrace the whole thing.
Boeing's below its 50 on the 15-minute.
Holy fuck, this is bad right now. Is non-stop sell pressure.
They still going down? Holy shit.
Yep.
I think it's going down to that level that we talked about. Yeah, it is. Yep.
Non-stop sell
Remember
pressure.
I mentioned that bottom of the linear regression in the morning? That's where we are.
On what?
On Qs. And JMA said, holy fuck, if it goes down there, it's going to hurt. And it's hurting.
We'll fill the gap now.
Gap has been filled.
This is a 98% regression, meaning it's near perfect. So there is very strong support coming in if it wants to bounce here.
The last hour, just complete fucking face tear. Oh, fucking murdered.
All right, what are we doing next Tuesday, guys? We got to think of like a different thing to do. Can't trade, obviously.
We could spend the day talking about conspiracy theories until it's time to stream.
Yeah, pick your favorite conspiracy theory. We're gonna talk about it on Tuesday. No fucking trading.
All right, I call Nazi UFO base in Antarctica.
I like that. That's actually a good one. I like that one. Do some research, guys. I want to see fucking cliff notes.
Nazis.
Flat Earth.
The Nazi base in Antarctica, man. You haven't heard about that?
Nope.
The reason why Russia is like taking over the Atlantic, or sorry, the Arctic Ocean.
Yeah, the Nazis developed anti-gravity back in World War II.
Missing people in Alaska? What's that? I haven't heard of that.
4-hour pivot on Apple right now. Look
Oh,
at
the
this pivot coming in on 4-hour Apple.
The Fourth Kind movie? Yeah, I've seen that. Yeah, this is the support I mentioned yesterday. 43775. You're holding it perfectly.
What a brutal, brutal day.
It's the reversal. It's what's fucking brutal.
Yeah, look at the volume profile. You're resting on the POC right now. If Apple wants to bounce, it needs to do it here. If it doesn't bounce here, it's going to nuke. You have a little bit of support around 436 and then 431.
Dude, so at noon, I bought Facebook 240 puts for 10 cents each. I bought Q puts for 36 cents each.
What are they worth
They're-
now?
You said at noon? Yeah, those
Brinks
gotta be
truck.
huge.
NASDAQ's fucking crumbling.
Facebook's worth 54 cents each now, and Qs are worth 100 or $1.14.
Jesus, nice, dude.
They were so out of the money. I was like, "There's no way we can continue this green trend."
9 days in a row, dude. It's coming to an end.
Wow. %2 day on NASDAQ right now.
My Boeing premium is actually going up. I'm at 110%. The volatility is increasing. My IV is going up. Yep, IV is going up. We're getting paid by IV right now.
Now the question is, does it carry into tomorrow?
Here is the bottom of the linear regression.
On Qs.
Yep. What time is it? 3:50. Got 10 minutes left.
Why'd you do that nasty reversal? I did that one day.
There's no way.
What's it at right now?
It's down fucking
At 265?
2%. There's no way it reverses out of this. TLT has a huge gap to fill too, John.
Check my channel, guys.
God, what's dropping more?
Qs.
Oh, Qs.
Straight down right now.
Yeah, now Nvidia and Microsoft are hurting me.
I will likely fill 330 gap no later than Thursday. Let me see. 330 gap. What gap are you talking about? Oh, this gap down here. I see what you're saying. Below the pivot. That would be a brutal. That would be a brutal fill.
330.06. Yeah, it's probably gonna go down and touch 3,300 on ES, which
Oh
is
my
what the
god.
old resistance was.
Look at the 1 hour ES candle. Holy fuck.
Yeah, I know, it's nasty, isn't it? Just
Jesus.
straight down.
It's the biggest 1 hour candle we've seen in probably a month.
We're on SPY. Is that support right here?
A 1.5% candle, damn near.
Yeah, like 3,300 is our next support. Yeah, we haven't seen that since July 13th. Was the
Asia,
last
can you
time we saw a
do a
candle
moon
that
pie
big.
set?
No, I didn't see. Sorry. Tesla, let me see. Tesla is on a very strong support. If it loses this level, it has basically nothing below you. If you lose 1366, it's probably going to waterfall. I'd be very careful.
He has puts, he said.
Oh, you have puts. Yeah, you look fine. If you fail 1366, it's going to waterfall. You should be okay. It's not strong again until it gets above like probably like 1425. If it loses this 66 level, it's going to waterfall.
It could go down, try to fill that, and bounce off the old resistance. That is a nasty, nasty candle.
Four minutes left, guys. Better make sure you like your positions.
AKA that they're puts.
Yeah.
What's VIX doing?
It'd be fucking rocketing. Yeah, it's going up. Yeah, my VIX position is almost positive on my small account. We were down like 70%. We're almost positive.
Deja, if Q's gonna bounce, where's it gonna bounce?
It should bounce here if it's going to bounce. This is that NASDAQ daily support. If it doesn't bounce here, you have a support at 10.75 and then 10.6. I don't know what that would be on Qs. It would be 2626 and 259. So we have some room to fall if it doesn't bounce here.
I think the fact that we don't have a stimulus bill is finally setting in the market.
Might have to eat some leftovers.
I feel that, man. I think it's going to go lower because if Qs or SPY bounce, they usually bounce very hard. They have like V-shaped bounces. These little tiny bounces like this don't usually hold.
I'm driving, but something's popped up on my Twitter saying hedge fund that's shorting Tesla is also funding an ex-employee something.
Yeah, John. Yeah, John said that.
JMA, you got to move the money tree. You got to shake it around.
Oh, I haven't watered it.
You water right now. We have 2 minutes left.
Actually, don't water it because I'm good on puts right now.
Water
Fuck that. I'm gonna fucking dump a 5-gallon bucket on this fucking thing.
You should
I'm
slap it
watching.
with a papusa.
I'm watching the CNBC stream, and they showed the S&P chart, and it looked fine except the last hour. It looked literally like a waterfall.
Good luck, Moonpie. Good luck.
All right, she's watered.
All right, here we go. This is the bottom, boys.
Are we bouncing?
It's got to soak in.
I'm still pouring, dude. I'm still pouring. We bouncing yet?
It's starting to bounce. No, it's coming back down. It's not liking it. Okay, oh, it's going back
we're
up.
close.
And it closed. We're fucked. Oh, we're not closed. Q has 15 minutes. Extended hours. Here we go.
Ouch. Silver down 14%.
Silver got its ass kicked. That is for sure.
All right. I'm going to get off here for a little bit.
Yeah,
All
let
right.
me ask you guys, green or red on the day? I don't think I need to. But I'll
I think
ask.
the only one green is gonna be SR.
Puts.
Smashing that fucking. Yeah, someone threw the skull in there.
Johnny.
Oh, God.
We need to remember this. Every time Johnny has a really big win, the next week the market tanks.
You're not wrong.
We base our trades like all off of fucking superstition, like no technicals. Like who has a good week, bad week, good
Yep.
day, bad day.
And is
Who
the
ate
plan
who
water?
ate what for fucking lunch? Who ate what for dinner? What a nasty fucking day.
I can't believe that sell-off didn't fill my Microsoft.
Yeah, look at it this way. If we fucking pump tomorrow, I'm set up good. If not, it's gonna be another bad fucking day.
You gotta laugh through the pain, man.
Hey,
Holy.
guys.
Play some
Yeah,
Call
have a
of
good one,
Duty through the
Caesar.
fucking pain.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it on stream, guys. Nothing much to say. Red day across the board. Silver took a shit. Dollars climbing. SPY is red. Qs are red. Dow red. IWM red. SPY was close to an all-time high. Couldn't get it. 0.25% away. Now we're about, what, 2% away? We'll see if we can hit it sometime
Oh my
before
god, Neo
Friday.
down 8.5% today.
But I'm gonna call it, guys, on stream. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll be back tomorrow, same time, 3 p.m. Eastern. If you guys like the content, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.